Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Roblox. To change your profile picture on Roblox, open the Roblox application or website and log into your account first. Once logged in, go to your profile by tapping on your avatar at the bottom. Now, tap on your avatar at the top left once again, and now you can go ahead and edit your profile picture. Select an emote, zoom in or zoom out on your profile picture. You can also rotate your profile picture left or right and click next. Now, if you want to view the full avatar, tap on View Full Avatar as well as View Close-Up and tap on Save. And your profile picture has changed. If you want to change your character, tap the Characters button at the bottom and select a different character or avatar that you want to change to. Some profile pictures or avatar will require you to spend Robux. Once you have enough Robux, you can simply tap the blue button at the bottom in order to make the purchase for your avatar. And that is how you can easily change your Roblox profile picture. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more Roblox tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.